How to download and install League of Legends on PC. So if you want to download and install League of Legends on your PC, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for League of Legends. After searching, you need to go with the homepage of League of Legends, which is www.leagueoflegends.com. And you will get this kind of interface. Now, you just need to simply go with play now or play for free, which will be in the top. And then if you don't have a Riot account, you need to just simply go and create one. Or if you already have an account, you need to just simply go with sign in. So I'm just going with sign in because I already have an account. Enter your information and go with sign in. Now, once you've signed into your account, you need to go with play for free, which will be on the bottom. And then you will have download for Windows or download Mac installer. So in my case, I'm using Windows. So you need to just simply go with download for Windows, which will be on the left side. And then go with the top right, which has the downloads section. Click on the downloaded file, go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. Wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, you need to click on that file and then wait for a few seconds. You need to click on yes. And as you can see, you'll get this kind of interface. You will have install now option, which says you need 16.1 GB of storage, and you will have advanced options on the bottom of it. You can click on the advanced options and you can simply change the install path. You can go and change the install path. If you don't have like storage on your drive, then you can go and select any other drive that you're comfortable with. And after selecting, you need to go with OK and then go with install. After that, your Riot client will be installed. And from there, you'll be able to search for League of Legends and install the game from Riot client. In this way, you'll be able to download or install League of Legends on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.